In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys legit $250 PayPal codes that you guys can use to add a literal $250 free to your PayPal balance today. So make sure to watch till the end of this video without skipping around, because I am going to be showing you undeniable proof of this method working, and I'm going to be doing it with you guys step by step, so you are guaranteed this money. So let's go. The first thing I'd recommend that you guys do is sign up to PayPal using a cashback code. If you guys didn't know this, PayPal is doing a limited time event where if you sign up using a invite code, you will get a free 1,000 points, aka $10 in cashback bonus that you can literally just put directly into your PayPal balance. All you have to do this is sign up to a brand new PayPal account, which you will not get banned for just creating a second PayPal account, using the link that I'm going to provide in the description down below, because if you guys don't already have a referral code, it's not going to work. And then go ahead and link a bank account or a debit/credit card, and then go ahead and spend or send at least $5. And then once you do that, you guys will get a free $10 in completely free PayPal money. As you guys can see, if I go to the PayPal app right here, it is 100% legit, because if we check this out, it says invite friends right here, and then I click on that and it shows you to the next screen. So the only thing you guys are gonna have to do is just go ahead and sign up with an invite code, because if you guys don't use the code I'm gonna provide in the description down below, it's actually not gonna work. So make sure to go ahead and sign up to a brand new PayPal account using that link to claim that free $10. The next thing you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure to sign up to CashApp using the link in the description. If we go ahead and check this out, it's going to say CashApp sign up link right here. And then when you guys do that, it's going to say join Isaac Strong on CashApp. This is essentially just the highest dollar referral bonus that you can get right now. All you guys have to do is you just have to create a brand new CashApp account, just delete your previous one or just make a new one, and then go ahead and sign up with this one. And then once you do that, you link a bank account or activate a cash card and send someone else $5. Once you guys do that, you guys will not only get a free $5 added to your CashApp account, but actually a free $25. If you guys don't know what CashApp is a brand new app that everybody is using to send and receive money. It's a lot like PayPal, and it's a legit company that everybody is using, and you guys are absolutely missing out by not going ahead and signing up for this bonus, because this is the highest welcome bonus I've ever seen. If you guys sign up with this link right there, you will get a free $25 for signing someone up, but if you use someone else's link, like another YouTuber's, you would only get $5. Don't pay attention to what this screen says right here. This is actually wrong, but when you guys sign up with that $25 link, you will get a free $25 in rewards just for doing that, which is absolutely crazy, because you guys cannot get that kind of referral bonus anywhere else using any other link. The next thing you guys are going to do is you're going to want to search AdAO on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you guys search for that, you're going to want to find this app right here called AdAO, download it, and then open it. And then once you guys open AdAO, the first thing you're going to want to do before you do anything is you're going to want to go to where it says my profile right here on the app, click enter invite code, and then once you do that, you're going to want to type in this exact code just like this. The code you guys are going to enter is going to be JCCGC. Once you guys enter that, you guys will make a free 50 cents for doing literally nothing, that if we check this out, you guys can then cash it out directly into your PayPal balance. And if we go ahead and check this out right here, as you guys can see, I have literally made $300 with AdAO in just the last month or so, and they deposited it directly into my PayPal account. And as you guys can see, it is 100% legit, because it has actually shown up in my real PayPal account. And if we scroll through, you guys can see this is a real PayPal account on my actual phone. Going ahead and scrolling through, go ahead and check this out. As you guys can see, it says AdAO Ltd right there. This is not edited. This is 100% legit. So you guys should now know for a fact that AdAO is legit, and it's a fantastic app to download to make some entirely free money. And just to show you guys how easy it is to make money on AdAO, I'm going to fill out a quick survey with you guys just to show you how easy it is. Checking this out right here, it says, which of the following social media platforms do you actively participate in? The answer for me is Instagram and YouTube. What best describes your current household? Rented house? Which of these drinks have you consumed in the last 4 weeks? I have consumed coffee, tea, and bottled water. Which is your primary bank? None of the above. Which of the following best describes your current living situation? The answer is rent. And then which of the following is not an animal? This is why I told you guys to watch this entire video, because if you guys were just spam clicking answers, if you weren't actually paying attention to what you were answering, like a lot of people do with survey apps, you're going to encounter something like this, which this is called a speed trap. Essentially what a speed trap is that when you encounter it and you answer incorrectly, like it's just a question that's so easy that literally a 5-year-old could get it right, that if you guys actually got this question wrong, AdAO would then instantly ban you. So going ahead and clicking desk is the right answer. And as you guys can see, my balance just got updated and I've made a free $80 on AdAO since I last got a withdrawal, which was only about 2 weeks ago. So you guys are absolutely missing out by not downloading AdAO, because I make easily over $100 a month just filling out some of these super easy surveys. But with all that being said, guys, that is going to be the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe and like button, and also go ahead and click on this video that you can see it right here within the next couple seconds, because it is going to be disappearing.